First step is to download the zip file of sheet formats. Click the download button and select Open with Windows Explorer. When the file opens, pick the Extract All button. I apologize that it's out of the view, but you should see yours. Be sure you know exactly where you're extracting these files to. Now browse to that folder location you selected. Copy the path from the location bar. Switch to SolidWorks and select the Options tool. Select File Locations from the Systems tab. Use the drop-down list to select sheet formats. Pick Add and browse or paste your path to those files. You can remove the default folder if you wish and pick OK. Start a new drawing file. You will pick from the available sheet formats. I will select the A-size sheet. Browse to the part you want to use in the drawing. I will use the axle. This part is small, and I would rather it be turned on its side. First, I'll rotate the view 90 degrees using the Rotate button on the heads-up toolbar. I want to change the sheet scale. Right mouse button anywhere on the sheet and pick Properties. Adjust the scale to 2:1. Pick OK. Use the Project View to create the left side and isometric views. Adjust the isometric views display to shaded with edges. Use Smart Dimensions to dimension your parts. I recommend using the placement circles to maintain good spacing. When your vertical dimensions look like this, it's wrong. Look at the options and set the overall drafting standard to ANSI. I also need to change the units of measure to millimeters, grams, and seconds. Continue adding all of your dimensions. You can add notes where needed. Looking at this, I notice my dimensions are gray and my note is black. I can control this by using layers. If your Layers toolbar is not on, right mouse button on any tool and select Layers from the list. I will create a new dim layer and place all of my dimensions in this layer. Notice the arrow by the layer name indicates the current layer.